Hello everyone, this is Shanu Bhatia from Gossip Funda. Today I am going to make a video on the topic convert PDF to Google Doc to PDF vice versa. Starting with the first question, what is PDF? PDF's complete form is Portable Document Format. It was developed by Adobe in 1993 and made available free of charge. Also, it is standardized and ISO 32000. It is a combination of subset of the PostScript page description, font embedding and structure storage system. Next is what is Google Docs. As demystified by Google, it is an online word processor that allows you to create and edit document and work with others. It is a great alternative for MS Word and Pages. It is available online and does not occupy any memory of your system. It is a part of Google Drive that can convert any JPG, PDF, GIF or PNG file into document with fully editable text. Next is what is the need to convert a PDF to Google Doc. The greater advantage of obtaining a doc file of a PDF is that many people can edit, manage the same document without generating copy and saving them on the system. Next is how to convert PDF to Google Doc. Steps for conversion. Open Google Docs on browser. Then My Drive. Then drag the file to be converted. Right click on the uploaded file. From the drop down, click on Open with, then select Google Docs. The file gets converted into an editable doc file. The new document will own the same name as the previous file but with .docs extension. This doc file can be shared with others to work upon or just to view. Next is how to convert a Google Doc to PDF. Method 1. PDF document menu. Open the document which is converted into PDF. Click on File menu on the menu bar. From the pop-down menu, click on Download. From the pop-down menu, click on PDF document. Documents will be uploaded with PDF extension. Method 2. Print option. Click on the document which is to be converted into PDF on Google Docs. Click on File menu on the menu bar. From the pop menu, click on the Print option. A window will appear on the screen. From the pop-down bar of distinction, select Save as PDF. Click Save and the document will be downloaded as PDF. Method 3. Save as PDF. Open the document which is to be converted into PDF on Google Docs. From the top left corner of the window, click on the print icon. A window will open on your screen. From the drop-down bar of destination, select Save as PDF. Click Save and the document will be uploaded as PDF. Conclusion. Hope you find the solution to convert PDF to Google Doc or to PDF vice versa. Some online converters are also available for PDF to Doc conversion. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please like, subscribe and share my channel, and don't forget to write your valuable comment in the comment box. Thank you everyone.